Home is the sum of many firsts for me. The first person who found me and made me accompany her. The first person to enter my world. The countless versions of you are like building blocks, and each one is in a different shape. They're stacked together to form a home I always want to return to. By the time you get this message, you probably collected a few more blocks. I look forward to seeing what our home will be like in 100 days or 100 years from now.